Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a notification so that you will be notified via email anytime someone makes a change to your Google Sheets. Now, the reason that I'm doing this is because in my course, I've set up a parking lot for students to go and put questions. So what is a parking lot? So normally parking lots are used in training. I've implemented it into my course where I teach students. And so a parking lot is a space to capture comments, topics, or questions that are not related to what you're talking about. It keeps the focus on the immediate discussion while deferring, i.e., parking, other topics for later. A parking lot captures discussion topics not related to the agenda, right? So if you've been like to a professional development or a training, you may see something like this on the wall, and we go up and we put sticky notes for whatever questions, comments, etc. that we may have. So I've done something like this in my course, but because of COVID, I wanted to keep it electronic. So what I've done is I allow students to put their questions here and then I answer over here. Now, this is not the actual one that I use in my class just because I wanted to keep students' questions private. So I just pulled some random questions from the internet. So I want to show you how this works. So it's really simple. All you do is once you have your Google Sheets form up, you go to Tools, then you go to Notification Rules, and it gives you these options. So the first one is to notify me at my email when any changes are made or a user submits a form. So this would only apply if you have set up a Google form, but if you have Sheets just like me, you would take it when any changes are made, and then you can decide how often you want those changes to be emailed to you. So it could be like daily or it could be right away. So I want those questions to come to me right away so that I can answer students' questions as soon as I can instead of having to go back and check. So all we're going to do is click save and we're going to click done. Now, once that's done, that's all you do. But so let's go ahead and see how it works. So I'm going to open up a new browser. I'm going to open up incognito window, and I am going to go to that form as if I'm a student, and I'm going to ask a question. So how many lesson plans do we have to submit? Right, so that's me as a student. And then I'm going to, but I'm actually a guest, so I'm not signed in. So if you just heard that notification, that's a notification that came to my email letting me know that somebody submitted something to the form. So let me refresh this. There we go. So you see, it came to my email and it says course parking lot was edited recently. So it literally comes like within a minute or so. So if I click here, it says see the changes in the Google document, course parking lot, and you can click here. So I think that's pretty cool. So it also gives you the current version of the Google Doc. So if we click here, we'll see the changes highlighted that the student made, which is pretty cool, especially when you're dealing with the big document. And then if you click here, it just shows you the document in general, not necessarily the changes that were made. So hopefully this video was helpful for you and you can use it in your own context.